In this video, I'm going to show you how to do hashtag research so that you can identify hot hashtags that you either want to follow or that you want to use in your posts. So here you are on the LinkedIn homepage or your newsfeed, and all you want to do is just scroll down your newsfeed and then look for a post that's got a hashtag. Any hashtag, it really doesn't matter what that hashtag is, and you then just click on the hashtag. So here's one, we'll click on here. Now you will see it's going to tell me that there are 27 million people following this hashtag. So this is obviously a good hashtag. But now if you want to check others, all you do is up here in the address bar, just change the word there and press enter. And it will then tell you for that hashtag how many followers there are. So now for marketing, you'll see there are 20,174,379. You want to search for another one, you can then just again change that word to what it is that you want to search for. In this case, I'm searching for sales. And it will now show me how many people are following the hashtag sales. If you want to follow that hashtag and you're not following it, this button will say follow. You just click on it and it will change to following, as you see here. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in the playlist for other functionality on LinkedIn.